When I built my fence, I had a bunch of boards that were twisted, warped, and split. Why does that happen?
It's the weather conditions, the rain, the sun, the heat, the temperature. It's wood. 2x4s will split, posts will split. It will warp, it will twist, it will crack. There's not much you can do about it because, again, it's Mother Nature's way of drying out the product. To protect your fence, all you can really do is stain it with a product to prevent it from getting damaged even more by the sun.
When is the best time to aerate my lawn?
Best time to aerate your lawn is in the springtime as the ground is soft. And what the benefits of that is that when you fertilize, it goes deep into the root system and makes your lawn nice and green for the entire season.
What time of year do you recommend I plant trees in my yard?
Best time to plant shrubs, trees, and flowers is last week in May, first week in June. The reason being is it's a root growing month. What that means is that the temperature is cooler, the root system has a chance to grow. Otherwise, if you plant it later on in the season, the temperature is too hot and you have a good chance of burning the root system. Then you have to go buy a product that will spur the root system to grow, but then you'll have a really hard time trying to keep it growing as the temperature is really hot and there's a good chance your flowers, shrubs, and trees will die.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.